Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make custom Snapchat filter. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open the Snapchat app, and from here guys, just simply scroll to the left over here. As you can see, as you have multiple filters here, so just simply scroll to the left until you go to the very end. And after that, you should be able to see here this explore lenses. So tap on explore, and from here you will have multiple filters that you can choose from. So from here, you can search a filter at the very top, and from here you will have some category like the recents, the face, the world, the music, and lastly the creator. So from here you will have a pretty much freedom on which Snapchat filter that you like to choose. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So just simply tap on that, and from here guys, just simply take a snap. And if you want to add more filters, you can just simply tap on this icon over here, or the search icon with a star. And from here, you can stock another filter that you prefer. So it will be depending on you guys. So let's say I'm going to add this filter. And from here, as you can see, you can stack another filter that you prefer. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.